Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you're not new here, hey girl, hey. As you can see from the title, we'll be working with this brand new texture in Ocean Wave from VSHOW hair. They went ahead and sent me this 6x4 undetectable lace pre-plucked pre-cut hairline lace closure wig unit in a 6x4 lace closure, and this is what we are giving. This hair is really nice and full. The pattern is Ocean Wave and we are doing 24 inches, so it's really nice, long, like luscious. It's giving volume, and that's because this is an updated version of Body Wave. The hair comes pre-curled, so you don't have to do too much if you don't want to. And as you guys can see, let me go ahead and show you. My unit is 100% glueless. There's no baby hair stuck down and nothing, so I can literally go ahead and pull my unit up, put it back down, reposition it to anywhere I want, you know, zhuzh up the front, and I will be on my merry way. This unit is 100% glueless, and if you'd like to see how I did this install with no lace adhesive, nothing to stick this lace down, just a nice glueless melt with this band in the back from VSHOW hair, feel free to keep on watching. And just so you know, the links will be in the description box for you to purchase this gorgeous unit, which I would highly recommend because VSHOW is currently having a huge sale and there are discount codes in the description box. So let's jump into today's tutorial so I could show you how to get your VSHOW Ocean Wave hair looking just like this.
See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. Swimming laps through pool water. Eating like I'm underworld. Hide my tattoos in Shibuya. Police think I'm of the underworld. Do I treat a nigga like he 12? How you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I am the big man? All level, I am the I am. I'm filming with the drone cam and the pack to kill a kill. Zone when I stick, no way. Also close, I'm on that kill. Controller on your lower back, yeah, that's good. Take up on the eyes back, yeah, let's go. Rolling, ride, rolling when you ride. Got one, street acting, turned to like some dirty back to God. 2016, brushing this. 2017, ideas playing off the Walkman. This is cold, not a click on it. With a cup in a cup, activate. That's a double edge, just a knife. I don't like to fight, but I'm fighting. Binge in the air, make my lungs sick. Chopper in the sky like a gun trick. Clips on clips like Mike. Oh, it's really all. See both sides like Chanel. See on both sides like Chanel. It's really you on my mind. It's really you on my mind. It's really you. It's really you on my mind. See both sides of the 12. See both sides of the L. Free smoke rings in their hell. Sleet snow grind for the well. Whole team diamonds is real. Show them how to shine by themselves. You need a cosign for your help. I need a bitch to grind on my belt. I know you need to drive for my belt. I know you see the drive in the cell. No matter on the ride cause it's stale, but it's still. I see both sides like Chanel. I see both sides like Chanel. Pockets slow. They can't hold my cell phone. They pay my visa. My paybacks and MasterCards. I got blue money and it's all cash. I got blue bags and they all collapse. I rubber band a bunch of $1,000 up the gift card. See my baby boy, amazing the cash on, no. I mean my baby boy, plays in the dash, Visa, my Amex and MasterCards. I got new money and it's all cash. I got new bags and they all collapse. I rubber band a bunch of $1,000 Delta gift cards. See my baby boy, amazing the cash on, no. I mean my baby boy, blazing the dash, got money at home.
This shit so good, should be illegal. Need round two, I need a sequel. Hit the back with like a free throw. You next level, you a chico. In so deep, you hit my sleep plug. Got me singing like Alicia. Got me using all your lingo. Tell your girlfriend that you're single. Call me over cause of cold heart. Sweet little bit for like a porn star. Next day, acting like you rolled off. Bitches asking how you know her. Taking food, baby, coca. Two left eyes, still a boca. At this word, you supernova. Fuck that, I ain't coming over. Can I stop by? See you tonight. Can I stop by? See you. Both on board. Can I stop by? See you tonight. Can I stop by? See you. Both on fire, love the teamwork. Leave with juices on your t-shirt. Loud and clear, no need for replay. Tell the Uber driver replay. Flip that bitch and make the U-turn. Sex ain't crazy, need a blooper. Last time I'm here with troopers. Night fucking a Bradley Cooper. Hi, I'm hell, it's nice to meet ya. Know you fucking with a demon. Do about anything you please ya. Come inside me, I'm a keeper. Want me to make you a seeker. Never been that hard to reach ya. When we don't see and need ya, I done made you a believer. Can I stop by? See you tonight. Can I stop by? See you. Shawty, you know. Can I stop by? See you tonight. Can I stop by? See you.
Alright babes, so VSHOW Hair sent me this gorgeous unit in 6x4 undetectable pre-cut, pre-plucked lace closure wig unit, and it is a 6x4 closure. It is in the texture Ocean Wave and it is in 24 inches, and this is what the gorgeous unit looks like. I am living for the curl pattern, so it's pretty much an updated version of a body wave. And if you want to pretty much get in and out at the stylist, I highly recommend this and doing some wand curls, because these curls are bound to last all day. This hair is really nice and full, and if you do want to have like a fuller feel, do more sections of curls for that volume, and you just need to use a lot of hairspray, but for the curls to last all day, it definitely will. I just did the top portion of these curls because you literally cannot just wear it straight out the bag, but I do want the curls to look somewhat uniform, so I went in and I did, you know, on each side some curls, and so far so good. I'm not having any problem with tangling. This hair is really nice and soft and easy to work with, and so far so good. The hair is pretty good quality, and you can straighten this hair, you can do regular curls in this hair, or you could just simply just do the wand curls to mimic the Ocean Wave pattern. I think this is gorgeous, and when you do wet and dry this hair down, it is like a dreamy body wave. I'm living for this texture, so I would highly recommend that you try out a unit from VSHOW Hair, especially this one, because the links will be in the description box for you to do so. They are currently having a sale, and it is a huge discount that you can get on your unit, so definitely don't forget to click the links in the description box to purchase. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.